we got something. I don't know if you can see the light or not, but I got something. Don't feel like it's all that big, but we'll see. Might do a little small trout. The small sand trout look like. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, a little small sand trout. Go ahead and throw you back. Get you on back out there. Hold on, buddy. I'm trying to get you out. I'm trying to let you go. Appreciate you. We on, y'all. Finally think I got a trout or we got a snook. We'll find out. That boy hit like a snook though. Don't tell me you got him. Got him this time, y'all. It's a snook. Snook, snook, snook. That other one was bigger. It's not gonna make it. Snook on the Tsunami, y'all. Right at 19, like I said. Alright, just gonna get you back in the water. That other one's bigger though. I think that other one I missed with the keeper. Oh, another snook, y'all. Number 2. Another small one. Watch out for his fin. Another small, undersized snook on the Tsunami lure. Going back in the water. I had a snook too?
Yeah.
All right, so this is my man right here coming down from Houston. What's your name now?
Muhammad, sir.
Muhammad, and he came down today, man, and he wore out the mangrove snapper on my harbor. And this is over at the South Packery Jetty. So mangrove snapper are coming in, so that's a nice fish to catch, man, if you want a mangrove snapper.
Hey, so the snooks are here too.
And the snooks, he said he missed a big snook too. So, you know, it is what it is. It is happening out here. So, like I said, man, he came all the way down from Houston. So that's a good catch to take back. And how long you gonna be down?
Tomorrow's my last day, Thursday.
Okay, all right, so we'll probably see each other out here tomorrow. Hey, man,
yeah.
Good catch, man. Good catch.
You, brother.
There you go. All right, now.